Hello guys, welcome back once again to this channel. Please kindly subscribe to this channel if this is your first time on this channel, and share this video also. All right, so we'll be looking at cosmetics brand design. We'll be looking at how to design the cosmetics logo design first. So I'll take the material I'll be making use of for this design, so I can just go to my gallery. You can equally check the description of this video for the materials. So this is the first material I'll be making use of. So I can just crop this out. I'll like to erase the background color of this. I can just go here, go down to erase color, enable it, and all the white colors will. Then I'll have to make a little edit here. So I can just go down to this eraser. I can just select eraser here, then increase the size of this to the very end. Then because I'm making use of this alone, so my main target is on this material. So I can just clean all these hair, all these ones. So while doing this, you need to do it gently and carefully, so you won't erase the main parts you'll be making use of for your design. So I'm trying to erase only this side. So that's what I'm doing now. So it will not touch the other parts. That's why it's kind of taking a lot of time. All right, so I'm done with this. I can simply mark good. Then crop this out. I can just crop it out to reduce the working area. Crop this. Good. So the next thing I'll do here, I'll be taking a shape. So I'll tap, go to shapes. I'll be selecting a circle shape. So I can just select it and mark good. So I'll copy this. Just copy this and then bring this circle this. Place it to fit in inside this circle. And then merge them together. So you can just start, or better still, I'll change the color of this. Change the color to red. And then merge the shape and this together. Good. So I'll go down to erase color, enable it, and then select this pencil icon, place it on this red color and mark good. Good. Simply go to eraser again, shift this and then erase this part alone. Why I did this is I just want to get the shape of the face to appear on the circle. That's why I did this. I did it this way. Just erase it, carefully erase it to stop here. So I've gotten what I want. I can just position this here, or better still, I'll change the color of this. So I can just select I'll select a blue color because I'll be making use of blue for this design, and also change this color to blue also. Good. So I'll copy this. I'll change the color to another color. I can just pick white because I'll be cropping it out. I'll be erasing the color any moment. So I'll just place it here so that it will fit in with this one. I can simply increase the size, increase the size again, and then position it this way. So I can now merge them together. Merge this and this. Good. Then go down to erase color again. Enable it. All the white color will be erased. Let me just adjust it to fit in very well. So I'll be taking another material. This time it will be from my gallery. I can just tap here, go to my gallery and pick this material. I'll crop this out because I won't be making use of everything here. So just like before, you can just check the description also. All these materials are there. Crop this out and mark. You can see that the other part was not cropped out very well. So I can simply erase it. I'll go down to erase color, or I can just choose it eraser. Apply the same thing I did for the first one, then erase this and mark good. Alright, I'll change the color to the preferable color I'm making use of, which is blue. Then reduce the size. I can just rotate it this way. Just adjust it in such a way that it will fit in with the patterns of these ones. So I'll place it here. Good. I'll copy this, bring it. I'll just place it here, then merge all these together. I'll tap here and go to merge, select everything here apart from the first one, merge them together. Good. So I can just increase the size so that other edits I'll be adding to this design will be able to enter. The next edit I'll be adding here is the name of the owner of this brand. So I can edit this text. Let me add the name of the person is Diva. So I can just add the name, which is Diva's Beauty and Spa. But I'll just take the name first. Increase the size and then change the font. So you can just go down to AB font. I'll be using a bold font. So I'll select this font, then place it well. And add stroke to it. So I can just add stroke to it, enable it. Because I'm making use of blue color, I'll take blue stroke. Bring it down a bit and then add another text. This is beauty and spa. Then change the font. Just did the first one. So I'll take these fonts. You can check your fonts, your Pixellab, any stylish fonts that look nice. You can actually make use of it. So I'll add stroke to this. Select this blue color. Good. And then place it here. I will equally copy this. I'll copy this and then bring it down here. Rotate it this way. But first of all, I'll go to 3D rotate. Then shift it to be this way and place it here in such a way that it will join with these ones. Good. I can also merge it together so it won't move about. Okay. So this particular one, I will just bring it down, rotate it again, just like we did for the first one. I will change the 3D position this way and increase the size a bit. Just make a little adjustment on it and then place it this way. Copy this, reduce the size. This time around, I'll be changing the 3D rotate to the former position. Good. Reduce the size. I'll rotate this. We're just trying to make a little edit for it to look nice. Good. So we are done with this design. We are done with the brand design of this. So I can just merge everything together. Can just let me adjust a bit, and then I'll merge everything together. Just tap, select this, and then select everything here and merge them together. So this is the logo now, and to be able to add it to a brand, you have to change the background of this to transparent. Just change the background to be transparent. Then you save it this format once it's transparent. This is because for you to be able to add it to your brand, the background needs to be this way so that it will be able to fit in very well. So thank you once again for watching this video. Thank you once again for being here. I'll be uploading another video on how to add this logo, this particular logo, to a brand, how to brand it, and how to design the necessary flyer that will be used for this cosmetics brand. So thank you once again for being here. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you want to know more about this cosmetics brand, as this is the first video and more videos will be coming under this topic. Thank you once again, and don't forget to share and like this video.